1600 years ago, a group of companies comes together to expand their businesses across the globe, like spices, their gold, and all kind of product that they have. All right, so they decided to expand it, and they discovered that it's going to cost them a lot of money for them to be able to expand to other nations. So they turn to their citizens and tell them that they should buy shares in their company, that if they buy those shares, they will be able to be a stakeholders and also share part of the profits of that business. And that was how stock market begins. So here are the 4 things you need to consider before investing into stock markets. And number 1, you need to have a basic knowledge about stock market. So stock market gives you the privilege to be able to buy companies, all right, like MTN, like Amazon, like Tesla, like Alibaba, like all these big companies like Facebook. So stock market gives you the privilege whereby you can be a part owners of their companies. You really need to know the definition of stock market before investing your money. All right, so stock market is actually the financial platform where you have access to big companies, the financial market that give you those privilege where you can buy those big companies. So that is the definitions of stock market. That's a simplified way I can explain it for you. All right, the second thing you need to consider, you need a financial expert. In fact, it is recommended that before you invest into a stock market, you need to have a tutor. That's why they recommend that you need to work with investment bank, right? They will guide you on how to the best stocks to buy. They will test your risk level and how you can profit from stock market. All right, thing you need to consider is having a tutor, having a mentor, having a financial coach that actually tell you this is the right stocks to buy. And that's why we advise you to enroll into our stock market master class. The third things you need is brokerage account. You can actually walk into a company, let's say for example a Tesla company, and say that I want to buy your shares. They will actually refer you to brokers. So so when you register with brokerage account, they're going to create an investment account for you, and we give you the privilege whereby you can be able to buy those companies' stocks. The last thing you need to know before you start investing is that you need to know how to analyze good companies. So come to think of it, imagine if you buy BlackBerry stocks a few years ago. Right now, BlackBerry is no more in the market. So if you invest money by buy huge amount of stocks or shares of BlackBerry companies, right now your money is gone down the drain. So you really need to know how to analyze companies. All right, that's why we also refer you back to the second point. You need to have a tutor, you need to have a financial coach, you need to have a mentor that actually know more about stock market. So if you want to learn more, you can just click the link below to learn more via our stock market masterclass. I hope this helped you. Thank you.